Hello guys and girls and those in between, I keep saying that. Today we have the Wurkkos TD07 for review. This is not a new flashlight from Wurkkos. It's been out for quite a few months. I've had it for a couple of months. I just never got around to do a proper review on it. It is a tactical flashlight. Let me show you the battery. It's an 18350 battery with 1100 milliamp hours. It is a tiny battery, but this is a tactical flashlight and not really for long-term use. It does have this rotating mode switch and a tail button. Let me quickly show you the specs on it. So we have the Moonlight 2 lumens, 75 hours, 25 meters of throw, 160 candela. Then we have low, medium, high, and a turbo, which is 1300 lumens for 2 minutes, and then it steps down to 700 lumens for 45 minutes. The beam distance is 480 meters. Keep saying this, Wurkkos is my absolute favorite affordable flashlight brand, and they have a huge variety of options for anybody, basically, for your casual EDCer, for law enforcement, for even diving. They do a lot of stuff. The cool thing is that whatever they do is of very good quality, if not premium. Well, it's not premium, but it always provides more than they charge for. They're extremely competitive in terms of their pricing on the market, and I will go as far as saying that I don't know any other brand that offers so much functionality and so much power output versatility as they do. At a certain point, Sofern and Wurkkos were kind of competing, but I think Wurkkos surpassed Sofern with a large margin. The thing about Wurkkos is that they are always, in anything that I've received, and I do request the certain models that I'm interested in, so I don't get all of their models in for review, but those that I receive are always built very well, high quality. They clearly have, their design team has large brains, and they design really cool products, and the TD07 is no exception. It's a very good tactical flashlight. It has this finger ring, which obviously you can take off. I guess you could put a clip on here, but it's not really. Well, this also serves as a clip. See how they've thought of this in a clever way, that you can also clip this light to whatever, your pocket or your belt. And what I've noticed is that now recently, I guess in the last year, they started coming out with these rotary switches, and they're by far the best switches in a similar format that I have seen. I don't want to be name dropping, but there's a lot of companies that do these switches, right? But sometimes they're too loose, or most of the times they're too loose for my liking, not for Wurkkos. They do everything very well, and this switch is also very clicky. Hope you can hear that, and it stops, you know, in the sections that you want. Now we'll go and look at the outside beam shots, but I'll basically say that if you know Wurkkos, you most likely know one of their best-selling flashlights, the TS11, which also comes in this size format. I currently have it in a longer tube, extension tube, but they sell it in a shorter format, and then you can add an extension tube. They're very similar in terms of throw, in terms of the beam shot that they produce. This currently is in 18650 configuration, and you'll see the comparison outside, but keep in mind that this has a larger size battery and performs slightly better than this one, but then again, larger battery and a different type of reflector on these two. Also, if you are watching this video, please consider subscribing and make sure that you place a comment, because Wurkkos has been supporting my channel ever since the beginning of our collaboration, and they are sponsoring giveaways. So the conditions are that any product that I review, there will be one free sample delivered to the lucky winner once the winner is identified. The giveaway will run 2 weeks from publishing, and then I use a comment selector to select the lucky winner randomly. But please do make sure that when you place your comment, it is related to the product being reviewed, and we would love to see your thoughts on what you like about the product and what you would like to see improved in the next runs. So make sure that you do that. And let me quickly, before we go on the outside shots, I just recently received from them the DL03, which is a multifunctional dive light. It has a laser and a spotlight, and then a combined mode where you've got both the laser and the spotlight. Very cool light, good size factor, and almost a similar throw as this one, but slightly wider, or I guess similar to these two, but slightly wider shots. But the absolute king of their flashlights up to what I've received up to now is this new model, the TS07. This is an absolute beast. It's very unique. It has a proprietary LiPo battery with a much higher cycle count. I believe 3000 times you can recharge it, and it is the go-to flashlight if you're camping. It's a bit heavy, so maybe you don't want to take it backpacking, but if you're driving camping, then this is all of light that you need for probably a week. So stay tuned. All of these items will run giveaways on, so make sure that you are subscribed. The conditions are for this or any other giveaway that you need to be subscribed, but I do need to verify that you're a subscriber, so please make your subscription public. There's an option for doing that on YouTube. See you outside. Thank you. Let's start off with their tactical light. This we will compare to their infamous TS11. This is one of the best throwers out there on the market, and versatile as well. So I have it on the light mode, and that probably is medium. So as you can see, it has a very concentrated throw, and that's the turbo. So let's immediately throw both of them into turbo mode. 1, 2, double click, 1, 2, double click. You see close up, they're very, very similar. So let's bring them out. I think TS11 is doing a slightly better job. Now that could be because I'm running it at 18,350 and the smaller one is 13,350. But you see, they're quite similar. I would say that I do prefer the TS11 reflector though. And then if I switch it to strobe mode, that's the strobe mode on the TD07. Bring it back to turbo. There we go. So as you can see, the TS11, this is TS11, is doing slightly better than the TD07. I think it could also be the reflector, because on the TS11 I do not see the flood effect as much. I only basically can see the spotlight, whereas on the TD07 you see this circle. We don't get that on the TS11. Here we do. So those are basically the differences in the light output, and also the TD07 does not have as many modes. It just has low, high, low, medium and high, and then the turbo mode. There we go. But it is a tiny light and very, very ergonomic, user-friendly UI. So I'm pretty impressed. The price is very good. The quality never lets down by Wurkkos. So there we go.